English.
Okay, just wait for a minute two. After that, I will start the class. Okay. Wait for a minute two. After that, I will start class. Please ready with your notebook and pen. Okay. My screen is visible to you people?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, technical report writing. Okay, many students who are facing problem in this one, technical report writing. How many of you have already have written this technical report writing? How many of you have already written this technical report writing? Who have submitted already? Who have submitted this technical report writing? How many of you? Is there anyone who have already submitted this technical report writing to me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, please speak a little bit louder, okay? Not properly audible. Who have submitted? Please say your name.
Ma'am, Apeksha.
Apeksha. Okay, on which topic you have given, Apeksha?
Ma'am, I'm written in project report, ma'am.
Okay. And anyone else from Apeksha have written technical report and submitted to me? Hello?
Yes.
Who's this? Hello? Meenakshi? I'm not getting who is this. And rest of one you have not.
Ma'am, Meenakshi.
Okay. And rest of you have not submitted on technical report?
Ma'am, I have submitted.
Dipyanshu. Okay, Dipyanshu and? Dipyanshu and?
Ma'am.
Shobha, I'm not getting your voice.
Ma'am,
What you're saying?
ma'am, I have already submitted technical report.
Yeah, on which topic?
Ma'am, wireless power transfer system.
Okay, wireless power transfer system.
Ma'am, I also submitted a technical report.
Okay, and those who have not submitted, I will clearly I will declare that by 2nd of May, all of you have to submit, because I think your examination is from when, or it has been cancelled. I don't know. What is their examination?
Postponed.
Postponed. So by 2nd of May, I want everyone from you, all your third semester things should be clear up to me. Because if I have to send marks, then at that time, those whom I will not find, simply I am saying you, I will not send their marks. So by 2nd of May, it's enough time for you people just to send. Okay, who is Saket? . Saket, please unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, from which branch you are, Saket?
Electrical engineering.
Okay, electrical
Lateral
engineering.
entry.
Oh, lateral. Okay. Okay. So, anyone is having any problem to submit the your 10 experiments for assignment by 2nd of May? Clearly tell me in the class if anyone is having any problem on anything on any of the topic.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
ma'am, I want to ask that if I have submitted all the documents
Yeah.
previously,
Yeah.
I have to submit it again.
Have you submitted those documents in one at a time? Means the 10
No,
experiments?
ma'am.
No,
Yes,
then
ma'am,
submit.
all experiment at a time.
Okay, and including your assignment in that?
No, ma'am.
Okay, then you have to send that.
Assignments, ma'am, 3 assignment in a single.
No, all
Okay.
together, okay? All together you have to submit it once again.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay? Any more problem? Anyone is having any problem?
No, ma'am.
Technical report writing, someone is saying they are facing some problem. Who are those people? Please tell me, then I will repeat it once again, this technical report. Is there anyone? Otherwise, I will ask you some questions. Either I will ask you the questions, how you have done, what you things you have done. Otherwise, you just clearly tell me that you are having any problem. Because after this class, no one will call me that, madam, what was the topic and how we have to do. What things we have to do and how we have to do. If you are having problem, you can just ask me. In this technical report, many of your students are having problem.
Yes, ma'am. How we have to write the technical report?
The content,
Yes, ma'am. The content and in page we have to write, or we have to write in the word.
no, you just have to submit the PPT.
Okay, ma'am.
You have to submit the PPT, not in page and all. It should
Okay,
be
ma'am.
typed.
Like, ma'am, in PowerPoint we have to do, or like in Word?
Yeah, PowerPoint.
Okay, ma'am.
And what is the format for the technical report writing? Can anyone can explain? You people have already completed na technical report writing. So how you have to write the technical report writing? Any one of you, please explain.
Title of report, then author's name and application and data, then acknowledgement, then content list.
And any other method is there to write a technical report? Is there any other kind of method? Is there any other kind of method behind this technical report writing?
Ma'am,
Yeah.
After content list, introduction and the body of technical report.
Okay. Anything other than this?
ma'am,
Suppose
I have written in such way the title page,
Yeah.
introductory part,
Yeah.
and content,
Yeah.
experimental detail.
Yeah.
Then I have written the discussion part about my experiment or about my project,
Yeah.
and the content means body, what on which topic my project is, and lastly conclusion.
I will say one thing. How many
Yes,
of
ma'am.
you have not done this technical report writing? Be frankly tell me. They yet have to do it. Is there anyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then you people please note it down. How effectively you can write your technical report. In which format. And in which format you have to prepare the slides. Just write it down. Okay. Note it. Are you ready? First write the title. Then the executive summary. Do you know what is this executive summary?
No, ma'am.
Ma'am,
When you are
is it
preparing any
content-based?
technical report, a brief summary should be there. What is being included in your report, and that should be in very simple language. Okay. Next is your introduction part. After this methodology. Introduction. In this introduction part, do you know what things you have to mention? In this introduction part, what things you have to mention? Any one of you?
Introduction about the topic of report.
Yeah. And what? Topic of the report and
Scope modules.
actually in the introduction part, you have to write the background of that report. You just have to write the background of the report, what things and what areas in what fields you were doing your studies. Okay. That thing in that introduction
ma'am.
part you have to include. And methodology. What are the different methodology? Any one of you say me what things you were thinking to write about this technical report topic, any of the topic? Then I will say, because there are different kinds of methodologies. Some are data methodologies, some are sampling methodologies. The sampling methodologies are generally included for this research purpose. So I think it will be better for you people that you should write in this data analysis. Is it? You have to collect the data and you have to just write. Can you? Is it possible for you people? You can also make a pie chart or a bar diagram. Raman Pradhan, please switch off your video. Raman Pradhan, switch off your video. Yeah. After that, what are the results? What are the different types of results? What results? After that, in the result part, what you think you have to write? Anyone? Any one of you? In the result part, what things you have to write? What things you write in a result? Please explain me. Result में क्या लिखते हो?
The data.
हाँ?
The collected data, ma'am.
Collecting
report.
data. रिजल्ट में डेटा होता है और डेटा एनालिसिस में क्या होता है, रिजल्ट होता है.
The outcomes of report, ma'am.
फर्स्ट यू हैव टू डू द डाटा एनालिसिस. ठीक है, डाटा एनालिसिस में हम लोग क्या करते हैं, सम एजम्पशन, कुछ लिमिटेशन हम लोग फिक्स करते हैं. We used to fix some limitations. We used to analyze some things. And in the result part, what we do? What things we have obtained from this data, that things we include. We include those things in the visual modes. जब PowerPoint presentation है तो उसमें visual aids होगा. ठीक है, तो वो हमको रिजल्ट में शो करना है. फिर उसको क्या करना है, रिजल्ट को पूरा तो हम नहीं दे सकते हैं. A little bit explanation from where we have obtained the result. एक शॉर्ट छोटा सा एक डिस्क्रिप्शन करना है हमको वहां पे रिजल्ट में. आफ्टर दैट हम क्या करेंगे, डिस्कशन में आएंगे. डिस्कशन पॉइंट हमारा क्या रहेगा कि हमने वो रिजल्ट कहाँ से हमको मिला है and how we are relating those things in the result and how we are evaluating. उसको हम लोग evaluation कैसे कर रहे हैं. तो evaluation हम क्या करेंगे, आपका टॉपिक जो है उस हिसाब से हम evaluation करेंगे. हमको नेट में हमारा डाटा क्या मिल रहा है उससे हम देखेंगे. उसको हम बार ग्राफ बनाएंगे या पाई चार्ट बनाएंगे. लास्ट फाइनल क्या हो रहा है, कंक्लूजन पार्ट. व्हाट इज इन द कंक्लूजन पार्ट, दैट सम स्पेसिफिक drawn results. What are those specific results, what are the program objectives, and what are the working hypothesis. यही है ना. Any other thing than that? अब बोलोगे how to write a technical report. Now you people will say how to write a technical report. Please, any one of you, those who have completed, please explain that how you have to write a technical report. How you have to write a technical report. You are the future engineers. So how you will write? If I say you just have to write a technical report on your remote, the remote you are using in your everyday life, how you will write a technical report on that? What things you will include? If I say orally to explain the technical report, can you, any one of you? Orally, can you explain this technical report? Is it possible? Any one of you? What things you have submitted to me, can you explain those things orally to me? Right now? Yes or no? Yes or no? Can you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then please explain.
Ma'am, I'm written a project report on the topic
Please
of
speak
student.
little bit louder because I'm not getting you.
Ma'am, I'm written a project report on the topic of student result management system.
Okay.
After it, I written the preface of this project.
Okay.
This project, student result management system, provides a simple interface for maintain the student's result map.
Okay.
It can be used by engineering institute or colleges to maintain their result of a student easily.
Okay.
All After that, ma'am, I retain the acknowledgement of this project.
Okay. Is Preeti Verma is present right now? Preeti Verma is present? No. Ashish Munda? Ashish Munda is present? No. They have not submitted properly the reports and all those things. Okay. Deepak Banwal? No. Nehal Alam? Nehal Alam? Abhishek Kumar Verma?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, Abhishek, you are present.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good. On which thing you have given your report? The PPT in communication skill, vocabulary plays and key role, report on group discussion.
Ma'am, all these things.
Okay, where is the technical report?
Ma'am, I have submitted.
Which and where you have submitted technical report?
Ma'am, in classroom, I have submitted.
Google Classroom, na?
Yes, ma'am.
Right now I have opened the Google Classroom. That's why one by one I am asking you, and all these things are being recorded, that who is present in the class and who are not present in the class. That's the main reason. I can share the screen with you. If you want to see, I can share the screen with you people. Is it?
Yes,
Abhishek
ma'am.
Kumar Verma? This one, na?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Where is your technical report? Please explain.
Ma'am, HS 301 lab PDF.
Yeah. PDF which one?
Ma'am, in Dawn. Ma'am, HS 301 lab PDF.
All are lab PDF. This one?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I'm just opening. Can you see it? This one?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. This one technical report writing. Okay. Itna mein khatam
Yes,
ho gaya
ma'am.
technical report writing. There is nothing technical report writing. So one by one, I make you people see all those things. You have to submit it, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
And those who are not present, see, I am just showing you. Roshan Singh still now is not present because attendance is must. Whose attendance I will not give them marks, they still have submitted. Ashish Munda, Deepak Banwal, Nehal Alam, Abhishek Kumar Verma, you have to submit. Aditya Kumar Pandey.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Your technical report is this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Good. No problem with you. Next, Priyanjan
Ma'am,
Kaushal.
can I start again?
Priyanjan Kaushal. Present? No. Babli Kumari. No. Manimay Mahato. No. Preeti Verma? No.
Yes, ma'am.
Preeti Verma.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
where is
Yes,
this one?
ma'am.
Is a technical report?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Very nice. Very nice.
Thank you, ma'am.
Now I will share something with you in this technical report writing. Those who have still not submitted, please go through once. I will also make you explain these things because this is the last, I think, the class. After that, you have to submit all those things. And those who have not completed, please complete it. This PDF today, I will just put it in the Google Classroom. You can see this thing, that how you have to write. I have explained one again, that how you have to write all those things. Okay, so introduction. A technical report is a formal report designed to convey technical information in a clear and easily accessible format. It is divided into sections which allow different readers to access different levels of information. This explains the commonly accepted format for a technical report. I have sent Preeti or someone that she has done very nicely the report, whom I have told you.
Ma'am, Preeti Verma.
Yeah, Preeti, I have only told to you, na?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Preeti's report is very nice. She have very nicely prepared the report. And this Aditya Kumar Pandey also. This guy has also prepared very nicely the report. So, now, this explains the commonly accepted format for a technical report, explains the purpose of the individual sections and gives hints on how to go about drafting and refining a report in order to produce an accurate professional document. What are the basic laws of technical report writing? There are basically 4 general requirements must be met to produce good reports: clarity, conciseness, continuity, and objectivity. First thing, that what things you are going to prepare, that topic should be clear to you people. And what is the basic objective of those topics? You have to just look after those things. You can basically write a technical report on your mobile phone also, either on your remote, either the fridge you are using, that things also you can write. Okay, there is no necessity that you have to choose any hard topic or anything. You can write, but it should be quite effective. Okay. So first thing, whenever you start a writing, please start writing with a title page. The title page should include of what lab it is, to whom you are submitting, what's your name. Okay. And if you're working with many of your partners, you have to write their names also. Your partners, means the lab partners or the research partners name also you have to write. And when you are submitting, the date also. How we can say that it is a good type of technical report? You people used to submit your physics lab copy, your chemistry lab copy. How a teacher decides up that is it a good lab report? Anyone can say? When you are submitting any lab copy, how anyone will judge you that it's a good lab report, lab copy? Any one of you? The index part. The first thing, that is your index part. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
If the index part, if the page numbers are not given in a good and proper order, does it is possible for an examiner to go through what experiments you have written, what experiments you have done? You have written very nicely the experiments, you have mentioned the dates, but you have missed to write your index paper, or if you have written the index paper, but you have used very much cuts, you have used whiteners. Do it will look good? Will it look good?
No, ma'am.
No. So first thing is that it should be neat and clean. You should always use a proper margin, a proper font. If you want to highlight something, you can use the italic types of letters, alphabets, or you can simply underline, or you can just highlight it with some bright colors. Okay. Next one. Next Next important thing, after this title page, after this title
Excuse me,
page,
ma'am.
yeah. Hello.
Ma'am, what will be the font size of the heading?
To heading 14 or 16 and rest 12.
Heading will be 14 and rest will be 12.
14, 16, 17 up to you can put. My font size you're seeing, technical report writing,
Yes,
it
ma'am.
is 17. It is an Arial 17.
Arial, okay, ma'am.
Okay, it is an Arial 17. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
okay. And the use of tense and voice. The use of tense and voices. Which type of tenses and which type of voices you have to write? Always keep in mind, whenever you are writing, write in passive voice. Okay, write in passive voice. And avoid use of ing verbs. Please avoid the use of ing verbs. And please write in those things in the passive voice. Use present tense for the objective part, for the background part, for the result part, and for the conclusion part, means the conclusion section. And if there are certain rules, if you're writing certain reports that are following certain types of rules that are universal truths, ऐसा कुछ laws है ना, that are universal truths, when you are writing,
Yes, ma'am.
please give a highlight to that things. Okay, and this spelling, punctuation, and this word selection type, use a colon only. Use of colon should be only there for a period of time, and always put a comma before the conjunction. Do you know the conjunction part? And, or, but. Sometimes we use this and, or, but. Always put a comma before the conjunction. In list, when you have to use these things of conjunctions, when there is a list of 3 or more. Suppose you have examples are there, na? You can see here. I have yeah. See here, technical report writing law is there. Are you able to see this one? Are you able to see this one?
Yes, ma'am.
This technical report writing laws. Yeah. Is it? Here I have written the 4 general requirements. If I have not mentioned here the 4 general requirements, I have already written the general requirements. Then at that time, what we will do? At that time, what things we will do? अगर यहाँ पे हम सिर्फ लिखते हैं कि there should be a 4 general, not only general requirements must be met to produce a good reports. Clarity, conciseness. Okay, continuity. If I have written continuity, उसके बाद and लिखते हैं. After that, I have to give here a comma. But already I mentioned here already 4 is there. So there are 4 names. Okay. So always put a comma before the conjunction. What are those conjunction? And, or, but, in list of 3 or more. Whenever it is a list of 3 or more than that. At that time, not for 2 or 1. Okay. Also, you have to set some words like therefore, however, with the comma. However, therefore, whenever we are writing, after that, just put a comma. That here I have written like this. That is same thing you have to do whenever you have to write therefore, however. Okay, there are certain rules. And if you people are thinking that you are writing some technical reports on the basis of laboratory reports, okay, because you people are having some kinds of labs. Can you name some of the labs which you are performing? Can you name me some of the labs which you people are doing right now?
Machine lab.
Java lab, ma'am.
Java
DSA
lab
lab,
and
data structure and algorithm lab.
okay. Can you make a report on those things? Can you?
Yes, ma'am.
So what things you will need? Suppose that if I say that you have to write a report, technical report on Java lab, how you will write? Anything. What now means now in your mind, what thing is there? You can explain.
At first, we have to write the title of lab. That means in which title, in which topic we perform the lab.
Yeah.
Then introduction of that topic.
Okay.
Uh,
After that. After that.
Ma'am, the programming that we perform in that lab,
Okay.
and then the output.
Anyone other than her will explain how you will write. Whatever is coming to your mind. What the things I have already mentioned, that what are the methodology, what is an executive summary, what is the introduction, what are the different experimental designs, what is data analysis, results, discussion, and conclusion and recommendation parts. You can also write an appendix also that. Any one of you. What is coming to your mind right now? Right now, what things coming to your mind, you can just explain it to me. In the title part, what you will put? One by one point I am saying, you just answer me. On the title part, what thing you will put?
The main objective of the experiment or the lab which I'm doing.
Okay. Now, what is the executive summary?
The brief information about the
Brief information,
experiment.
simple language. How you will write the means executive summary? Just tell me. In a simple English, you have to just write an executive summary. I will say you have to answer me. Title. What is the title? On what topic you are preparing? What is the title? Please explain. Please explain me. Explain me the title. Java lab, na? Who was saying that she will prepare on Java lab? Say me, what is the title? Rakesh Kumar Sen. Please unmute yourself. Ashish Poddar, unmute yourself. Those who are not unmuting, very good. I will give them a reward. Shashikant Mishra.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what will the title?
Ma'am, I have no idea, ma'am.
On which topic you are prepared, or you are willing to prepare your technical report? Have you prepared the technical
Digital
report?
ma'am? Actually, no, ma'am.
No. So on what topic you will prepare your technical report?
On digital electronics.
Digital. So what you will title? Digital electronic.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And what will the executive summary? What thing you know about this digital? Explain.
In digital,